Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your devices are compatible and unlocked. Make sure both iPhone and Apple Watch have recent updates. Once done, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap Face Gallery at the bottom. This view groups faces by style, so you can preview complications and colors quickly. Now pick a category that fits the watch's size and your daily needs, because selecting the right base face saves time when you customize complications and colors next. After choosing a base face, tap it to enter customization. Here you control color, dial style, and complication slots. Use the picker or swipe to cycle options. Complications are essential because they surface the apps and data you want at a glance. Tap a complication slot, choose the source app, and press Done to save that layer. Make sure to use the digital crown for precise adjustments. It's faster than repeated taps and keeps layouts aligned across watch sides. When your face looks right, tap Add to My Faces to transfer it to your Apple Watch. The face appears immediately if devices are connected. Once added, you can reorder or force touch the watch face to switch quickly between favorites. If the face doesn't appear, check Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then restart the iPhone and watch. Make sure airplane mode is off and both devices are near each other. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.